Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize image size in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first, we need to click on this image and then from picture tools, we click on format menu. From here, we see that image height and weight option. So from here, if I need to apply 2" to 5". So I apply here height 2" and weight 5". Now I see that my height moved to 2.81, but I need to keep in 2 and 5" measurement. So we just need to do some correction. Just click on advanced layout size option. From here, just unmark this lock aspect ratio, then press OK. Now if I apply 2" here and 5, I see that it's keep same. There is no change in height and weight. So here is the way you are able to customize your image size in MS Word. Thank you.